we're gonna be working in an old HP laptop. We're gonna try to revive the old laptop and bring it up to Windows 10 because currently running Windows 7 is running the worst ever. So I want you to stay with me. At the end of the video, I will show you how to install Windows with a bootable USB, and I hope you stay with me. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Welcome one more time to my channel. Today we're gonna work in an HP laptop. This is an old HP laptop, and the main purpose I'm gonna use it for is to use it with a scanner that I ordered. Is a $50 scanner that I will make in a video later. That you have to have a computer, you plug it to the USB, you plug it to the car, and it works great. In the computer, it comes with a software. But for this, I needed an old computer with a CD reader. So this is the best candidate I found. It's an HP laptop, HP Pavilion DM1265DX entertaining PC. So this one has iCore 5, which is decent, but the problem we have right now is super slow with Windows 7. Doesn't work properly. And then what I will do is I'm gonna swap and change the hard drive, and I'm gonna install Windows, and I'm gonna install more memory because it comes with 4 gigabytes of RAM. And then we're gonna upgrade it to that, maybe have Windows 10 instead of 7. Windows 10 is going out of updates, by the way. And then stay with me. First thing we're gonna do, of course, we're gonna try to remove the battery, which is losing all the screws. The first thing we're gonna do is remove the battery with this switch. So we're gonna try to unlock it. So as you can see right now, it comes just from out to the top like this. We remove the battery, and now I'm gonna position the camera in a way that you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so stay with me, and I'm gonna get you closer to the machine, then you'll see all the process what I do. And for this, I got a toolkit like this. But I really recommend you this. Maybe I'll leave a link on the description. It has two screw more here in the battery section. So these are the ones holding the case, I'm pretty sure, because it's not coming out anyway. And one more here. I'll try to get it loose, and let's see what happens. Try to get this loose, get this up. So in order to remove and get to this point, what you have to do is, these covers are placed like this. Okay? One cover for the other one. And I'll make the top so you can see. So as you can see, there is 2 screws right here. One here and one here. Underneath or close the battery, on the side of the battery, you put a screwdriver. You lose this screw right here and this screw right here, and then you lift it. What you do is you pry from here up from the center to up, and then you remove the first part. Then you get access to 2 screws. Is this screw right here and this screw right here. So you have now, at this point, you have access to the memories right here, memory RAM. You have access to the Wi-Fi card and the BIOS battery. So many of the BIOS batteries get burned. That's why the computers are slow. So we're also gonna replace this. If after reinstalling Windows I'm still slow, I'm gonna replace this BIOS battery and see if that's gonna help with the boot. So you can see. So after losing these 2, so you pry up this, have access to your hard drive. The hard drive is gonna be placed like this. I'm gonna connect. So we got the small gap and big gap, small gap and big gap. We connect it here, and you're gonna find our hard drive like this, laying down like this. Okay, but we will find this cover right here. You lift it and pull it out, and that's how you remove the hard drive. Okay, hold it down, wiggle it, and get it out. So we got our hard drive out. What is next is these four screws, 2 on one side and 2 on the other side. We remove those screws, we put our new hard drive, we take off the old one, we put the new one in. I'm gonna do right now that. Now what we'll do is remove the screws on the side of the caddy, because this is plastic, is the caddy. So we remove those screws. We'll remove these screws and put them aside. So we put the, watch how it is. And it shows that this one was how many gigabytes we have here? Actually, we have 640 gigabytes, which is good. So I think I'm gonna leave this hard drive in. So we're gonna put this hard drive back. Although I think there is a memory problem with this hard drive, we're gonna lay it down properly, and I think we got it in. And there is a stopper right there for the hard drive. I'll try to get it in on that stopper. So now we got it good. So this is how you're gonna find the hard drive, with this pulling tab right here for the same purpose. So all we're gonna do is replace the memory, and actually we're gonna install Windows as soon as possible. So you can see you get the clips, side clips, and this is 2 gigabytes memory RAMs, very old. I'm gonna try to get new ones, and I'm gonna separate these clips, and then the memory gonna pop out like this. So these little tabs right here, I'm gonna show you right now. I'm gonna get a close up to the memory. I do the close up because you can see I move these tabs, these metal tabs, and what I do is I open each other. Open one side right here, open one side right here, and open the other side also like this. One side here and one side here, and the memory will pop up. Pull from the back, remove the memory, and you place the new one in a vertical way. So I'm gonna try to get the memories right now because this is real old. It's 2 gigabytes. I need to add at least 8 gigabytes, and just stay with me. We tried to get a different memory from an older HP laptop, but the problem I have here is that this memory apparently is not compatible. I'm trying to see if I have a DDR3 in the other one, and if this one is different, it won't fit because the gap on the middle is different. The way you remove it is you move the clips aside and you pull it up, so the memory pops up. So as I say, I'm just gonna see right now, and I'm gonna try it, see if it works. If it doesn't, it's because it's a different kind of memory, because this laptop is old. It might be a DDR3, and let me try it here if it's gonna fit or not. Actually, we should search on Google for the specs of every single machine we work. That way we know better what kind of memory we ordered. Apparently, this one is not gonna fit. I'm gonna try it. No, doesn't fit. I put everything back together, back in the order it was. So as you can see right here, I'm gonna put this first. Has the tabs in. Put the tabs in. You put. So I have placed 2 memories, new ones. So I left the hard drive because, as usual, we set the memories properly. We put this together, we tie the screw. Second part right here, the access, remember only the memory RAM. So we put the second access here. So we you put it down and slide. Put it down on the slide, and we also secure that. Now we make sure we tie the two screws, one here and the other one here and the other here. So we tie these screws, as you can see right here. Next screw right here, tied it up. Then after that, it's tight, so everything is closed. And as you can see, we bleed when we're working. We bleed for your support. We put this back right here. The body goes first in the back, like this, on the back side here, and place it. So it's like, do next is plug the power adapter. Try to install Windows here. Okay, stay with me. We're gonna use a handy dandy USB bootable with Windows 10 drive, and then I'm gonna, after this video, I'm gonna create one dedicated how to make this easy. Okay, after installing Windows in this, I'm gonna make a second video where I will show you how to make this. Okay, so you don't have to buy it. Okay, back to the action. We're gonna plug our memory here on the USB port. Okay, we're gonna turn it on and press escape. Press escape, and then we're gonna boot selection. So I'm gonna go to the boot section. Press A if you want to boot device option, F9. So I'm gonna press F9 here, and then it will ask me where do I want to, with the hard drive, with the internal drive, or our USB. So we select our SanDisk memory. We hit enter, and it will start to open the files to install Windows 10. So I already have Windows 10 here in this bootable drive. I've been telling the people, if your HP gets stuck or whatever reason it happened, so make a bootable USB. That's the solution. Make a bootable USB. So I'm gonna upgrade this from Windows 7 to Windows 10. So as you can see right now, it's loading. It's gonna load the files, we're gonna install the program, and we're gonna start from scratch. If it was a lot of information in this computer and that's why I was working wrong, we're gonna see. I'm gonna troubleshoot every single aspect of it. So what you do here is say continue. You say no, you don't want to repair, I want to install. So immediately you can see that all the program that it was in the computer, this computer was super slow. All the programs has a problem loading. So I tell it I don't have a product key. I can type one later. I can get one later. So what version do I want? So I'm gonna select here. I want Windows Home. I think it shouldn't give a problem with the Home, but you can choose the Pro, Windows 10 Pro. I'm gonna use Home. Since it's for personal, I'm gonna do Windows Home. Windows Home. Yep, that's the latest update. So the next, and because this computer was for entertainment or stuff like that, so I accept the terms and condition. I hit next, and here's where you choose custom install. And you see how many partitions we have. I really hate that. I don't want all those partitions, and those tools are making it slow. So I'm gonna select each of them and delete them. Yes, I want to delete them. I want to start from scratch. So unallocated. So all your deletes gonna be unallocated space. So you hit OK to the 4 of them. Recovery of the system. I don't care. Delete everything. Okay. Delete everything, because I don't like that option right there. I don't like that option. So delete everything and start fresh. So we're gonna clean completely. So unallocated space. So we do a new partition, apply. We say okay. Once it does create it, so you select the drive and go ahead and install it. It should take a moment. And now it's done. So we select in the primary partition right there. Next. It is. I must say that the installation was really quick. I just went away for a minute. I'm gonna say yes and see how everything is working. So if I can see, it, so I don't want the speaking thing. So skipped. We're gonna do the setup quickly. And as you can see, I installed Windows. After this, I'm gonna make a video and let you know how to do it. So I don't want to connect to the internet because it takes a while. And then I'm gonna finish the setup. So we successfully get to this screen. So I hope you like this video so far. And this is it. I just make sure to show you what to do in case you wanted to replace the hard drive or install more memory. Or if you have problems with the upload with the BIOS battery, that's not a bad idea to change it. Thank you for watching.